Hello guys, this is Yogesh Ramani from Wudbell Interior Design Company. Today we are going to take a walk through a beautiful flat which is located in Sumadhura Soham, Whitefield, Bangalore. And this 3 BHK property belongs to Mr. Maruthi Kumar. Before going to take a walk through of this beautiful flat, I would like to suggest you please subscribe our channel. Hope you will not miss any updates from our channel.
Hi, this is Maruthi. My search for interiors for my dream home at Sumadhura Soham started sometime in April. Before reaching out to Wudbell Interiors Company, I had met 3 to 4 interior companies. Each of them have their own USPs, but one of my friend referred Wudbell Interiors Company, and he said that they have got a lot many USPs and I'll be certainly be happy with them. So I thought, why not check with them. So I called Mr. Yogesh, who is CEO of Wudbell Interiors Company. So we had a detailed discussion. I went to their showroom in near Hofam Junction. They have got a very huge showroom. He and along with his team, they have showcased their projects. I was very impressed with their design ideas, the number of choices they have in terms of laminate selection, and then the hardware selection, and different varieties of wood for each of my rooms in the apartment. So I thought, okay, these days they've got enough expertise in making my dream home exceptionally good. So the next day again, I asked them to showcase their completed projects. I had gone to a couple of completed projects done by the Wudbell. I was so impressed with their work, with the quality of work that they have completed, the finish. So I thought, okay, I should go with Wudbell Interiors. So that's the beginning of my journey with Wudbell. After then, I had a detailed interaction with Wudbell design team. Their design team is so good. They've given me multiple options for each of the room in for my apartment. So I also being an engineer, I want to design my dream house in such a way that it should be unique, and the design team has supported me very well. Okay, that's about the design team. Coming with respect to the quality and the materials that Wudbell they have recommended, I am extremely satisfied with their recommendations. They have selected or they have recommended all industry best standard materials, be it Hettich for hardware, the laminates, the other stuff. I'm very convinced with them. And the other thing, Mr. Yogesh gave a floor walkthrough about their manufacturing industry located near Perform Junction in Bangalore. I was very much convinced with their manufacturing industry, their machines which they have imported from Germany, and the machine cut was so good. So I thought, okay, I came to the right people, right company. Okay, and then the other USP for them is Mr. Yogesh and his team are reachable anytime you call. They are reachable, be it early in the morning, be it in the middle of the day, or late in the night. They attend our calls and they patiently listen to our requests, and then they work on those requests. So during and the other USP for Wudbell, which none of the other 3-4 interior companies they didn't give, is their written commitment. Wudbell is the only company that gave a written commitment for me to complete the project in 45 days once the designs are phrased. So I was so happy with them. They completed my project on time with utmost care and quality. And the other USP is they have their own manufacturing industry. They have initially I planned to go with green ply wood, but after Mr. Yogesh giving me a floor walkthrough of their manufacturing industry, he detailed me about their wood quality, how they treat the wood, how it will be free of termites, how long they can provide warranty after installation. And most of the work, 80% of the work is done at the factory, and the other 20% is done at the site. So with all these USPs, I thought Wudbell is the right choice for me to go for interiors for my dream home. I have gone through them. My journey was so good with them. They have given me very good ideas. We worked as a team, and then we completed my dream project in time. Thank you, Wudbell.